What's going on, everybody? It's Wednesday, August 14th. A little side note, it's my 34th birthday, and I found the older we get, the less birthdays matter. I'm just grateful to be here another year. I took half day off work, and I felt it's time to do a little unboxing. I got my mason jar full of tea, so I'm all set. Last week I made a video setting up the micro squirt. We all know that. Yes, you guys are waiting for me to fire this pig up to show you how easy it is and blah blah blah. But I wanted to build a rig, a fuel pump rig that was somewhat safe. You know, most of us, you know, we want to test something, get a big garage, or you do it outside, and so if you, God forbid, have a fire, you can easily contain it. But part of my issue is my garage is under my house, so I wanted to build a safe fuel cell, fuel tank, pump setup. Alright, enough talking about that anyways. So I was looking for my options, and I was on eBay, and I found a whole fuel pump module. This is for like a late 90s Ford F-150. I don't give a shit as long as it puts out 55 psi. So I forget who it's from, exactly the seller, but they're an American seller. I'm sure the pump's Chinese. Parts2.com, whatever that logo is. Performance Auto Parts. Yeah, you know it's cheap shit in the box. I paid $22 for this module. $22 frickin' dollars. As long as it puts out 55 psi, I really don't care if it lasts, you know, a year, 2 years, whatever. The whole point is, this thing's still full. It's my 5 gallon or Purple Power. I'm going to cut a hole in the top of the 5 gallon pail and plunk this bad boy down in there. It even has it's got a gasket. I'm going to nut and bolt it and make myself a hillbilly fuel pump. For those who know Fords, you got a 3/8 and a 5/16, you know, 3/8 feed, 5/16 return. Common sense. You know, if you put this thing in a truck, yeah, you might get a year or 2 years. I don't know. You get what you pay for. It's $22. The sender's nice. It's well made. Worst comes to worst, you just shove a Walbro or a Delphi or whoever pump in it. So, let's see if this thing even works. I just took it out of the box. I would not be surprised if it didn't work. And you know what? If it didn't, I wouldn't even be mad. So, let's cut this hokey plug off. 22.99 and free shipping. You get what you pay for. Would I put one of these in my truck? Nope. So just like that, cut the plug off. It's amazing what these Chinese make. You know, they rip off all of our patents and our designs. I'm not proud of it. That's just disgusting. You know, I mean, for us United States citizens and workers and Canadians or whoever, it's disgusting. But plugs even made well. So let's rip all this shit off here. And let's find out if the son of a bitch works. Red's for our fuel pump. And we got 2 grounds here. Which one is which? Obviously the fatter one, going to the motor. Okay. Black with stripe is sender. So that would be our ground. This is great. I should put a pressure gauge on it too to see if even it has, you know, OE specified fuel pressure. Here's a half-dead battery that's already 6 years old. Let's see if it's any good. Oh, the excitement, the excitement. $22.99. I really should put a link in the video, an eBay link. I just don't recommend, you know, for daily driver. I mean, this is for a test bench. This is for testing purposes. So anyways, I'll shut up. Here we go. Listen to that. Holy guacamole, it's quiet and it's smooth. It had a part number on here. I don't know if it matters to you guys. Probably not. I just wanted a small turbine pump and I was going to make my own test bench. Where was it? I thought it was down here. It is in this box. It had like a CarQuest or an AirTex number. Here we go, yeah. Edward 2215 Sam. It was manufactured April 15th of 17. Alright, so there it is. I'm just doing an unboxing, and for 23 bucks you can buy a whole frickin' fuel pump module with a pump. And like I said, I don't care about anything other than it puts out 55, 60 psi, whatever, enough to run this fuel injection setup. Standard sequential port or whatever fuel injection setup. So hey, if you guys want to risk it, by all means, but I wouldn't put one in my car. That's just me. Catch you guys on the flip side. Oh, if I play my cards right, I'll have this engine fired up. Maybe Sunday. Maybe. And it really doesn't take much. I'm just kind of like, you know, working 55 hours a week and doing stuff around the house, so it's really not on my priorities. But for education, you know, you guys, you know, you may want to know this. Some of you guys are ready to pull the trigger and buy a budget EFI system, and you want a review, so I better get off my ass and get moving. Cheers. I gotta work tomorrow. I'm not drinking tonight, so you guys drink for me. Love you all. Like and subscribe.